If you want a professional email address that matches your domain, and you want to set it up for free using your GoDaddy CPanel hosting, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the full process step by step, from logging into GoDaddy, creating the email account, and then opening your new mailbox in Webmail. This is a simple but powerful upgrade for your business, brand, or personal website, because an address like info@yourdomain.com looks far more professional than a generic email address. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more practical website and hosting tips. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to GoDaddy. Sign in to the account that owns your domain and hosting. Once you're logged in, look for the My Products section. This is where GoDaddy keeps your domains, hosting plans, and all of your account services in one place. Inside My Products, scroll down until you find your web hosting plan. Under that section, click Manage. This will take you to the hosting control area for your account. If you have multiple products, make sure you choose the correct hosting plan that is connected to the domain you want to use for your email address. After that, you should see an option for CPanel Admin. Click on CPanel Admin to open your hosting control panel. This is where the email tools live, and it's where you'll create your professional mailbox. If you've never used CPanel before, don't worry. You only need a few simple options to complete this setup. Once CPanel opens, look for the Email section. In that section, click Email Accounts. This page is where all of the email inboxes connected to your domain are managed. If you already have email addresses created, they'll show up here. If not, this will be the first one you create. Now click the Create button. This starts the process of adding a new email address for your domain. In the email field, type the username you want. A very common choice is info@yourdomain.com, support@yourdomain.com, or hello@yourdomain.com. You can use whatever name makes the most sense for your business or website. Next, enter a strong password. Make sure it's something secure that you can still remember or store safely in a password manager. A strong password helps protect your mailbox from unauthorized access, especially if you're using this email for customer messages, contact forms, or business communication. After entering the email name and password, click Create. CPanel will now generate your new professional email account connected to your domain. This usually takes just a few seconds. Once it's finished, your new email address is officially active and ready to use. Now let's access the inbox. Go back to the Email Accounts area and find the option called Check Email. Click that and you'll see the available mailbox options for the email address you just created. Then open Webmail. This is the browser-based mailbox where you can read and send email without needing to install anything extra. On the Webmail login screen, sign in using the full email address you created and the password you set earlier. After logging in, you'll be taken into the inbox. From there, you can send test emails, check messages, and start using your new domain email right away. And that's it. You've now created a free professional email address for your domain using GoDaddy CPanel hosting. This is one of the easiest ways to make your website or business look more trustworthy and polished. You can repeat the same process to create additional emails like sales@yourdomain.com or admin@yourdomain.com whenever you need them. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.